Hi kids, welcome to Spelling by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description, choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. My first spelling words. C-A-T spells cat. Let's read that again. C-A-T spells cat. Question 1. What word do these letters make? A. Cat. B. Cap. The correct answer is cat. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 2. Which letter comes in the middle of C-A-T? A, B, T. The correct answer is A. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Now, please subscribe the channel. D-O-G spells dog. Let's read that again. D-O-G spells dog. Question 3. What word do these letters spell? A. Dig. B. Dog. The correct answer is dog. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 4. Which letter comes at the end of D-O-G? A, G, B, D. The correct answer is G. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Hey, superstar. Want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. P-I-G spells pig. Let's read that again. P-I-G spells pig. Question 5. Which word is correct? A. Pig. B. Pin. The correct answer is pig. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 6. Which letter is at the beginning of P-I-G? A, I, B, P. The correct answer is P. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Click link in description. S-U-N spells sun. Let's read that again. S-U-N spells sun. Question 7. What word is S-U-N? A. Sun. B. Sun. The correct answer is S-U-N, sun. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 8. Which letter is in the middle of S-U-N? A, U, B, N. The correct answer is U. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. H-A-T spells hat. Let's read that again. H-A-T spells hat. Question 9. What word do the letters make? A. Hat. B. Hot. The correct answer is hat. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 10. Which letter comes first in HAT? A, H, B, T. The correct answer is H. Great job, kids! You did an amazing job today. If you had fun, make sure to like this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!